Hey everyone, welcome to English Avenue Global. Today's video is a natural English conversation between two old friends meeting after many years. Listen carefully and practice speaking with confidence. Step 1. Hey Alex, is that really you? Wow, I can't believe this moment. It's been such a long time, my friend. You've changed so much over the years. I'm honestly so happy to see you again. Step 2. Oh my God, Tomas, it's really you. I never expected to meet you here today. This feels like a dream to me. I missed our old memories and conversations. Seeing you again makes me really emotional. Step 3. You still have the same friendly smile. That's why I recognized you so quickly. How have you been all these years? I hope life has treated you well. Tell me everything, my friend. Step 4. Life has been busy but good for me. After college, everything changed very quickly. Work and responsibilities kept me occupied. But I always remembered our friendship. Old friends are truly special in life. Step 5. I completely understand what you mean. Life becomes difficult after growing up. People become busy chasing their dreams. But true friendship never really disappears. That's why today feels so special to me. Step 6. Do you remember our school days together? We used to laugh and play every afternoon. Those memories are still fresh in my mind. Life was so simple and beautiful back then. I truly miss those happy moments. Step 7. Yes, of course, I remember everything clearly. We spent so much time together after class. Sometimes we talked for hours without getting bored. Those were some of the best days of my life. Real friendship made those moments unforgettable. Step 8. Do you still stay in contact with our old friends? I haven't seen most of them for many years. Everyone became busy with their own lives. Time really changed everything around us. But old memories still connect our hearts. Step 9. That's absolutely true, my friend. Some friends moved to different cities and countries. Others became busy with jobs and family responsibilities. Life separated us little by little over time. But true friends are never forgotten. Step 10. I'm really thankful that we met again today. This meeting brought back so many beautiful memories. It feels like our friendship never changed at all. We should stay connected from now on. Let's never lose contact again, my friend. Step 11. You're absolutely right, my friend. Meeting you today made my whole day better. Sometimes life gives us unexpected happy moments. This reunion means a lot to me, honestly. I'm truly grateful for our friendship. Step 12. Same here, Tomas, I feel very emotional today. Old friends always hold a special place in our hearts. No matter how much time passes, friendship remains valuable. Seeing you again feels warm and comforting. It reminds me of our beautiful past. Step 13. We should definitely spend more time together now. Maybe we can meet again next weekend. We can sit somewhere and talk for hours. Just like we did in our school days. That would make me really happy. Step 14. That sounds like a wonderful idea to me. I would love to relive those old memories again. Good friends are very rare in life. That's why we should never ignore true friendship. Relationships become stronger when we stay connected. Step 15. Absolutely, my friend, you are completely right. Today will become one of my favorite memories. I hope our friendship lasts forever this time. No more losing contact for many years again. Let's always stay connected and support each other. Step 16. You know, meeting you today gave me so much happiness. I was feeling stressed and tired lately. But talking with an old friend feels refreshing. Some friendships truly heal the heart. That's why this moment feels very special. Step 17. I feel the same way, my friend. Life becomes easier when we share our feelings. Old friends understand us better than anyone else. They know our past and our real personality. That connection is very hard to replace. Step 18. Do you remember our funny moments at school? We laughed so much during lunch breaks every day. Sometimes our teachers became angry with us. But those memories still make me smile today. Those were truly unforgettable days. Step 19. Haha, yes, I remember everything very clearly. We were young, carefree, and full of dreams. Back then we never worried about the future. We simply enjoyed every small moment together. Time really changes people and life. Step 20. That's true, but some things never change. True friendship always stays alive in the heart. No matter how far life takes us apart. Good memories continue to connect old friends. I'm really happy we met again today. Step 21. We should take a picture together before leaving. This moment deserves to be remembered forever. After so many years, this reunion feels unbelievable. One photo can keep today's memory alive. I want to remember this happy moment always. Step 22. That's a great idea, my friend. Whenever we see the picture, we will smile again. It will remind us of our friendship and memories. Old friends create the most meaningful moments in life. Today truly became a special day for us. Step 23. Next time we should plan a proper reunion. Maybe we can invite some of our old classmates too. It would be amazing to meet everyone again. We could share stories and laugh together again. That would feel just like the old days. Step 24. Yes, that sounds absolutely wonderful to me. I'm sure everyone would love that idea. Life becomes beautiful when old friends reconnect again. These friendships are precious and full of memories. We should never let them fade away. Step 25. I'm really glad we met after all these years. This meeting reminded me how valuable friendship is. No matter how busy life becomes, true friends matter most. Let's promise to stay in touch from now on. Take care, my friend, and see you again soon. Step 26. Thank you, my friend, for spending time with me today. Talking with you made me feel truly happy again. I forgot many of my worries for a while. Old friendships bring peace to the heart. This day will remain memorable for me. Step 27. I also enjoyed every moment of our conversation. It felt like we were back in our school days again. Some friendships never lose their warmth and honesty. No matter how much time passes, true bonds remain strong. That is the beauty of real friendship. Step 28. Before leaving, let's exchange our phone numbers again. This time we should stay connected regularly. We can call each other whenever we have free time. Friendship becomes stronger when communication continues. I don't want to lose contact anymore. Step 29. Absolutely, my friend, that's a wonderful idea. Life is too short to lose good people again. We should support each other in every situation. Real friends stand together during happy and difficult times. That's what true friendship really means. Step 30. Alright, my friend, I should leave now. But meeting you today made my heart very happy. Take care of yourself and stay healthy always. Let's meet again very soon and create more memories. Goodbye, my dear friend, until next time. Step 31. Goodbye, my friend, and thank you once again. Today reminded me how beautiful friendship can be. Some meetings become unforgettable moments in life. I will always remember this wonderful surprise. Take care and stay happy always. Step 32. You too, my friend, please stay safe and healthy. Don't work too hard and forget to enjoy life. We should make more time for old friends now. Because these moments are truly precious and rare. I'm really thankful we met again today. Step 33. Next time let's meet somewhere peaceful and talk freely. There are still so many stories left to share. I want to hear more about your life and dreams. Old friends always understand each other deeply. That's why our conversations feel so comfortable. Step 34. Of course, my friend, I would love that very much. Talking with you brought back happiness and positive energy. Sometimes one good conversation changes our whole mood. True friendship gives strength during difficult times. I feel lucky to have a friend like you. Step 35. Same here, my friend, our friendship is truly special. No matter where life takes us in the future, we should always respect and support each other. Good friends are one of life's greatest blessings. See you again soon, my dear friend. Step 36. I still can't believe how suddenly we met today. Life is really full of unexpected surprises. Sometimes destiny reconnects old friends beautifully. This meeting made my ordinary day very special. I will remember this moment for a long time. Step 37. That's absolutely true, my friend. I was just walking here without any plan. And suddenly I saw a familiar face in the crowd. At first I couldn't believe it was really you. Now this day feels unforgettable to me. Step 38. Meeting old friends reminds us of beautiful memories. It takes us back to the happiest moments of life. For a few minutes I forgot all my stress and worries. Our friendship still feels natural and comfortable. That's the sign of a real friendship. Step 39. Yes, true friends always remain close to the heart. Even years of distance cannot break real connections. Time may change our lives and responsibilities, but genuine friendship never loses its value. That is something truly beautiful in life. Step 40. Alright, my dear friend, it's time to leave now. But today's meeting gave me so much happiness. Let's stay connected and never lose contact again. I hope we meet again very soon someday. Goodbye, my friend, take care and stay blessed. Step 41. As I walk away, I still feel very emotional today. Meeting you again brought back countless old memories. Some moments in life become truly unforgettable. This surprise reunion made my heart very happy. I never expected such a beautiful moment today. Step 42. I feel exactly the same, my friend. Old friendships have a special kind of magic. They make us smile even after many difficult years. Talking with you felt peaceful and comforting. I'm really grateful for this unexpected meeting. Step 43. You know, life taught me many important lessons. But one thing I learned is that true friends are rare. Money, success, and busy schedules can change people. But genuine friendship always stays valuable forever. That's why I respect our friendship so much. Step 44. Thank you, my friend, your words mean a lot to me. I'm lucky to have a caring friend like you. No matter how busy life becomes in the future, we should always make time for good friendships. Because real friends make life more beautiful. Step 45. Absolutely, my friend, I completely agree with you. Today became one of the happiest days for me. I will always remember our long conversation and laughter. Let's keep supporting each other in every situation. Goodbye once again and see you very soon. Step 46. After meeting you today, I feel full of positive energy. Sometimes one beautiful meeting can change our whole mood. Old friends have a special place in our hearts. That's why today feels so meaningful to me. I'm truly thankful for this moment. Step 47. I understand exactly how you feel, my friend. Talking with you reminded me of simpler, happier days. Back then life was full of dreams and laughter. We enjoyed every little moment without stress. Those memories will always stay alive in my heart. Step 48. Life changed us in many different ways. We became older, busier, and more responsible. But our friendship still feels honest and natural. That proves true friendship never fades away. Real bonds always survive the test of time. Step 49. You are absolutely right, my friend. Some people enter our lives and disappear forever. But true friends always find their way back somehow. That's why today's meeting feels very special. I hope our friendship grows even stronger now. Step 50. Alright, my dear friend, now it's really time to go. Thank you for making this day so memorable for me. Take care of yourself and keep smiling always. Let's stay connected and create more happy memories together. Goodbye, my best friend, until we meet again. Step 51. Before leaving today, let's make one final promise. No matter how busy life becomes in the future, we will never lose contact with each other again. True friendship deserves time, care, and respect. I want our friendship to last forever. Step 52. I promise, my friend, this time will be different. We will stay connected and support each other always. Good friends are one of life's greatest blessings. Meeting you again reminded me of that truth. I'm really grateful to have you in my life. Step 53. Thank you for all the beautiful memories we shared. Our friendship gave me many happy moments in life. Whenever I remember our conversations, I will smile. Some friendships become part of the heart forever. And ours is definitely one of them. Step 54. You will always remain an important friend to me. Distance and time can never break real friendship. No matter where life takes us in the future, I know our bond will remain strong and honest. That thought makes me truly happy today. Step 55. Alright, my dear friend, now it's finally goodbye. Take care of yourself and stay happy always. May your life be full of success, peace, and joy. Let's meet again very soon and create more memories. Goodbye, my best friend, until we meet again someday. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing English every day. Like, comment, and subscribe for more English conversations. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.